Welcome back everyone. This is the sewing tutorial of this beautiful jumpsuit. I've previously done the pattern drafting video, so if you haven't watched it, you can go ahead and watch the pattern drafting video. Thank you for watching. Welcome back everyone. So this is the part 2 of the jumpsuit. In part 1 we have cut and drafted the patterns for our jumpsuit. In this jumpsuit I did cup caging, bust caging for the jumpsuit, so I won't be sharing the video here because I don't want the video to be too long, so watch the video in the description below. Thank you. Please like and subscribe and comment on more videos you'd like me to make. Now I'll be joining into the material, so I've gone ahead to join it at the midpoint here. Then first thing first, I'll take the midpoint here where I joined it and attach it to the same midpoint here. So I'll pin it down. This is how it's meant to look. You can see how it's looking. So I'll go ahead and do the same thing for here, for this side, then I'll stitch it. Here I've gone ahead to attach the cup to the fabric, to the blouse. You can see how it's looking. Then I'll go ahead to attach the hand to it. I want the queen and neckline, and so after attaching it to it, I would be adding my lining. Then my lining, I'll be sewing it around the neck, the sides. I only open the down part. So yeah, I've sewn it, so I'll be adding an hemming gum to the neckline to secure the neckline in place. Then I'll go to my iron and iron it and show you how it looks like. This is my top. This is my top. You can see how it's looking. I'm gonna need to attach a queen neck to it. So now I'll be fixing the top bodice to the back. You can see it's caging I did for the top. So now I'll go ahead to attach this the upper part to the lower part. So I've gone ahead to join the clutch of the trouser. I'm gonna have to join the clutch. This is the front piece. Then I took my 1 inch dart at both sides with 1 inch and the length of 5 inch. So after I took my dart, so this is the way the front is looking like. I'll go ahead to attach the upper part to the lower part. From the waist downwards, I took 9 inches for the zip, so I left it opened. Then I closed the rest down for the clutch of the back, and I also went ahead to take 1 inch dart for the back and the length of 6 inch. This is the back also, so I've gone ahead to attach the shoulder onto it. Then I also took my dart at the back piece. Then I'll be attaching this two also to the back piece. So this also I'll be attaching it to the back piece. So I'll go ahead and attach everything and show you how it looks like. So now I've gone ahead to join the parts, the midpoints together with the back also. So now I'll go ahead to join it at the shoulder, at the middle of the crotch line. I'll go ahead to join it here. The way you join your normal shoulder, then I'll join it at the shoulder level. Then after that, I'll be shaping it. So after joining the shoulder and the waistline of the front and the back piece off camera, I also went ahead to join the zip to the back piece. Then now I want to shape it. So how I shape my measurements is that I first pin it down, the back bodice to the front bodice. Then at the bust area, I'll take my bust measurement divided by 2 minus 1 inch, because you know it is a cup corset pattern at the front. So you know the cup is, see the way the cup is. So to make the bust area to be very tightened and firm, so I'll remove 1 inch from my bust measurement after dividing it. Then I took my waist measurement, my waist to my hip is 8. Then I took my hip measurement. Then my hip, since it is a free trouser, I just take the 1.5 inch allowance I took straight down. Then I just shaped it. So now I'll go ahead to go and shape my jumpsuit. So for the hand, I went ahead to cut straps like this, then I sew it straight down. This is about how many inch? This is about 14 inch. It's about 14 inch. So then, you know, remember that I cut a very long fabric for, it depends on your, like, what you want. So like, so the long fabric I cut, so now I'll be placing it, I'll be placing it on this stripe. So now for me to do that, I will pick the midpoint of this stripe style or long fabric. I'll pick the midpoint, I'll launch it, so I'll do the center, same as this, the midpoint. I will launch it, so I'll know the center point. So watch as I'll be fitting it now. Then I'll go ahead to take a pin and pin down the midpoints. This is just so that my fitting can be equal and I won't have any, and I won't make any mistake. Just to align my fitting. So now I'll start from here. You won't start your pleating from the beginning because you'll be closing the sides. As you can see the way I'm pleating it. So I'll just continue pleating. So I'm done pleating it. You can see how it's looking. Then I'll flip it to the wrong side like this. And I'll go ahead and close it by just one inch. You can see how the sleeve is looking. So then we'll go ahead to attach it. So I'll take this midpoint here. Then I'll place it at the midpoint of the armor. Then I'll pin it down. I'll also put the down part. I'll also take this down part and attach it here like this. And I'll pin it down. I would like to divide this side into two, then pin it down at the center part here. This is just for our pleating to be like aligned, so it won't be like it's excess in one place, it's well pleated in one place, it's not well pleated in the other side. I'll pin it down, then I'll take the other side also, and then I'll start to pleat. So I've gone ahead to hem the down part, join the sides. I've also attached the hand. So this is the off sleeve. So I did a tiny band on it also, off camera. Back side also. That's all basically for the jumpsuit. So when my clients will be wearing it, I'll be showing you how it looks on them.